Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a video which is gonna be so helpful for people who are using action camera or like drones or something very small which uses a micro SD card. The reason why I'm doing this video because I bought a new Osmo Action and then I just insert a memory card which is a micro SD card in it, and then and I push it in. It went through, it's fine, but when I tried to take it off, it was stuck and there's no way I couldn't pull it off. So what I had to do was I had to take forceps to kind of pull it out. I called the customer service, they could help me. They told me to send it back the camera so we will take it off for you. That's take at least like 2-3 weeks. So then I took forceps to take it off. So but after that I found a good kind of really good idea to not to happen that again. So it's very simple and I'm going to show you that. Okay, so let's go and watch that. So I got the DJI Osmo and you can see the hole is very small, and in order to put the card in it I can just simply put it like this, but the problem it's gonna cause is it won't eject, right? So what we're gonna do is just simple thing. All we need is just take some tape from here, all right, and take your memory card right here. So this side is gonna go in, right? Symbol. Then what we're gonna do is just gonna put the tape on top of it right here like that, and then you don't need this long. This is too long. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it. Okay. We don't need that long. We're just gonna cut it. We're just gonna flip that thing. So we got a nice little tip over here. So you made that tab and you can see the tab right here. See that? So it's very simple, just a Scotch tape. Alright, so then you just simply follow the diagram right here like that. Simply push it in. See, it's very small, so that's why we need that. So if you want to take it off, you just simply push it in, then it will come off like this, like that. You push it in, push it out like that. So I hope you guys really like that video, and hopefully that will help in the future with the card issues and stuff like that. It's really helped me, so that's what I'm sharing with you, and in future hopefully you don't have that problem that I encountered. So that's why I came to do a video about that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and then if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and wait for my next video, and I'll be coming up with a new video soon, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.